Hi guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to flash Chromatomini from REMAP. Let's get started. First of all, access to this website and click this keyboard catalogs and then type Chromatomini. Here's the file details here, and I just uploaded the firmware for this keyboard, what I have here. Okay, let's flash Chromatomini via X. Okay, click flash. Press the reset button here. Flash it. And then press the reset button and select this and connect. You have to do that quickly. And if it fails, it shows something wrong, but now it says finished successfully. So you can close this. And it's all done. Now let's check what it's like. Okay, so right now you can see the LED is on, and you can change how it shows up by long pressing and rotate it. You can have a lot of effects you can choose. I like this one. You can see. You can choose any other. I like this one too. And if you don't want this indicator, you can turn it off. Okay, you can turn off the whole LEDs. Can hear it? Yep. You can change the octaves. And you can change this right and left arrow keys to transpose mode. Let's play with the LEDs again. Easy. Let's try another one. Okay, so if you want the party mode, you can go flash again and press the reset button and then select this one and connect. That's it. Maybe you have to wait less than 10 seconds, then it's all done. See? It's a party mode. It's easy to see the LEDs are lining up correctly. Changes the color so that you can see all the 3 LEDs inside each component is working correctly. It's useful, isn't it? And it has the full feature also. So, yeah, you can keep using this. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.